Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these replacement bags for the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. These are made by Go Store. So you're simply going to lift this up. Here's where the bags are kept. You're going to lift this tab up. And now we can remove the entire bag when it's full. This one's pretty full. So just lift it straight up. Yeah, sometimes you got to kind of pull up on that. That's going to close off that opening. Now we can throw this away. Here's our vacuum. We're going to put it in this track. And when we put it in this track, that's going to slide down. So start off, make sure that this is all the way down. We've got this O-ring. And again, we want this to go in that track. So you're going to slide this thing in, make sure it's in the track. Okay, I got both ears in the track, and then you're simply going to push it all the way down. Make sure it's nice and flush. This is flush, this is down. Just kind of puff the bag up a little bit. It's just going to stay like that. Okay, this red light will go out once we install the cover. Just slide the cover on. Now it's ready to go. Okay, let's take some measurements, and then I'm going to just kind of show you the bag. So it's about almost 7 inches. When it expands, you're looking at about 5 inches. And then front to back, yeah, it's about 5 inches that way too. Up, down, about 5.5 inches. There's that mechanism, 3 1/4 by about 5. Again, that slides up to seal that off so that you can take this out and it won't shoot out at you. So let's cut it open. Let's just see what it's made of. Okay, so inside, there's like this really kind of sticky material. Looks like it's at least 3 layers. We got this layer, and then this outer layer. So yeah, 3 layers. But I didn't notice when that bag was full, I didn't notice any dust escaping. It all stays inside. Now the Q7 Max Plus, the Roborock, does not give you a notification to let you know when the bag is full. You just have to replace this every so often. It lasts about, depending on how much it's vacuuming, about 2 months. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.